Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we are on to lesson 4 from Unit 5 of Pre-Algebra. We have today the topic of more two-step equations, which means we're going to be looking at those parentheses that I told you we're going to be tackling at some point. So remember, when we're doing solving equations, addition, subtraction first, multiplication, division second, exponents third. We're not going to touch those. Parentheses last. So if you ever see parentheses in an equation, they have to come last. So keep that in mind. All right. So as we come down here, we have -2 times this quantity in parentheses here, y minus 3. You might think we have to get rid of this minus 3 first because it's subtraction. But we don't want to do that, okay, because it's inside parentheses. We're going to get rid of this times -2 first. So the opposite of times -2 is divide -2. Notice I'm putting it underneath the whole thing because the times -2 goes against this thing here. Boom. Goodbye. Times -2 right there. The opposite of times -2 is divide -2. So you get -11 equals. Now, when I bring the parentheses down, they actually disappear. You don't need them anymore. Y minus 3 appears. Now I can undo the minus 3 with a plus 3. Plus 3. -11 plus 3 is -8 equals y. Can't see the negative. Plug it in. -8 minus 3 is -11. -11 times -2 is 22. Bam, check. Now, when you get in the decimals, make sure you have your calculator handy because it just makes it more difficult. Once again, you have to get rid of this multiplication before you get rid of the addition because of the parentheses. We're going to go and rewrite it up here because there's no room down there. There's just no room. And they don't put any room because you can't write in your book while I can. Well, I'm writing on the screen, I guess. So we're going to undo with divide. X plus 3.7. Oops, I also get 2. It's supposed to be 2. No, it is not. Because, oh my goodness, that's terrible looking. Equals 4 divided by 3.2. I'm going to say it's 1.5. Let's double check. Boom, nailed it. So, opposite of plus 3.7 is minus, I wrote plus, minus 3.7. Minus 3.7 cancels. X equals -2.2. Now I did that in my head. I'm going to double check it. 1.5 minus 3.7. Whoop, 1.5 minus 3.7. -2.2. And I erased it. Boom, there it is. -2.2. Looks like -5.5 there. And then don't forget your check step. Let's take a look at one of these handy-dandy, wonderful word problems. So Natasha buys 5 bottles of orange juice. She has a coupon, 65 cents off the price of the juice, but we don't know the price of the juice. So that is a problem. So she has 5 bottles, the juice, 65 cents off the juice, but we do know, all in all, she spent $6.20. Okay, so the price of the juice minus 65 cents times 5 equals $6.20. So we're going to divide by 5. X minus 65 cents equals, I want to say $1.24. Yep. Okay, now we got to undo minus 0.65 with a plus. Oh, that handwriting's looking better. And I'm going to say it's $1.89. But I want to set a good example. I'm going to double check it. $1.24 plus 65 cents is $1.89. Remember, with word problems, you have to have a label. We're talking about money. So it's in dollars. Double check it. $1.89 minus 0.65. $1.24 times 5. Is $6.2. Okay, you can also use the distributive property. I don't recommend this because what this does, this makes it a 3-step equation. You can see it in the example here. 6 times y, 6y, 6 times 4, 24. Then take away the 24, then divide by 6. I think this is a huge waste of time. Feel free to do it if you want to. If you want to do it, forget I said it's a huge waste of time.